Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Walden Student portal. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in Walden Student portal. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as mywaldenu.edu. In my case, it's the first one. So tap on it. Then to log into your account, tap on the login button. And here you need to provide your email to log into your account. So go ahead and type your email in the text field given for email. Then tap on the next button. Then you need to provide your password to log into your account. Once you're done providing your password, tap on the next button and you will be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this.